G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make some healthy choc orange Bliss balls. These are so yummy and they're really good and healthy, so let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get a food processor and chuck in 1 cup of almonds. Then chuck in 10 Medjool dates, half a cup of almond meal, 1/4 cup of raw cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then get 1 large orange and get the zest and the juice from it. Pour that in. Now process this. Now you just roll them into balls and place there. Now you can just have them like this, put them in the fridge for 20 minutes, or you can make a little healthy chocolate sauce, which I'm going to do, and we'll roll them in. In a bowl, put in 1/4 cup of raw cacao powder, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now just pop this in the microwave on high for 20 seconds. Now just mix this together. Now get the little balls, dip them in the chocolate. Now just put on a baking tray or whatever and pop them in the freezer for 20 minutes and then eat until the cows come home. Ho 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 ho. Aww. Really yummy. Oh. That's so good. Now don't forget guys that I've got a website, so it's called www.simplecookingclub.com. Check it out, there'll be a link in the description. I hope you like this because it's really, really good. See you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.